Hey there, I'm Driscola, and I wanted to talk to you about Gya Labs Eucalyptus Essential Oil. With allergies and everybody getting sick right now, I was looking for a way to stay naturally healthy, and also sometimes if my nose gets clogged up, I don't want to take allergy medicine or decongestants or anything like that. So I came across this eucalyptus oil and I love it so much. It really helps to open up my nose passageways. Like if it gets stuffy, if I start to have a headache, it helps relieve my headache. And it also helps me to feel a little bit more perked up, alert. So what I like to do, especially in the mornings when I wake up, if I'm all stuffy and groggy, I will take a scoop of Epsom salt in my hand and then make a pile in my shower. Then I will take the eucalyptus oil and just place about 5 drops on top of the pile. And then that way, when your water is streaming down and it's nice and hot, it will start to steam up the Epsom salt with the oil in it, and then you just get that aroma kind of filling the space, mixed with the steam and deep breathing. It feels so good and will help you feel like brand new. I love it, and I hope it helps you too.